What's up, YouTube? This is Howard Talks. Like and subscribe to the channel. What's up, y'all? So, jeez, you know what? When it comes to these stories that I be delivering to y'all, and it usually ends up with somebody either getting killed or getting wounded or whatever. It's just this young generation is just on edge. They just already on edge. They at the tip of their iceberg already. So it's like anything and everything can cause them to go off. They're just like at their breaking point, and you don't even know it. So this story is from Law and Crime. Man stabbed his brother to death for not cleaning up the kitchen, then hid under the stairs to avoid the cops. Jeez. A Minnesota man allegedly stabbed his brother to death over his cleanliness in the kitchen. Javante Sims, 23, was charged with murder after police said that he fatally stabbed his brother, whose name and age were not made public, on Friday, according to the probable cause statement reviewed by Law and Crime. Sims and his brother had an argument at their home in Minneapolis, Minnesota, that culminated in the brother receiving a knife wound to the chest. The brother's girlfriend told police that Sims was upset that his brother was not cleaning up the kitchen to his satisfaction. I swear, I'm going to read just a little bit more and that's going to be it. According to the probable cause statement, officers from the Minneapolis Police Department responded to a call from the home just after 3 a.m. When they arrived, they found Sims' brother unconscious on the floor while his girlfriend held a cloth to a wound on his left side of his chest. Officers performed life-saving measures on Sims' brother until paramedics arrived. He was pronounced dead at 3:32. Police said Sims was found using a wooden paddle to hide himself under the staircase in the home's basement. He was taken into custody. When police spoke to the brother's girlfriend, she told them that she and Sims' brother had made food and they were eating in the kitchen, and Sims came into the room. Sims was reportedly upset that his brother had not cleaned up the kitchen. Another woman in the house at the time said Sims told his brother, "If you don't start cleaning up after yourself, it's going to be an issue between you and me." According to the probable cause statement, Sims left the kitchen, came back with a knife. He allegedly shoved his brother and called him a pussy. The brothers had a physical altercation, and both of the women told police Sims was left standing in the kitchen with a bloody knife. His brother was heard saying, "He just stabbed me." The woman told the police Sims ran as the brother's girlfriend applied pressure to his wound. I ain't gonna read no more of this foolishness. All I know is that you got mad because your brother didn't clean up to your satisfaction. And no, I don't even think it was that. I think he was looking for a reason to stab him. That's all I got to say. You was looking for a reason to stab him because you was already on edge, and all you needed was a small reason to stab him or whatever. So therefore, that was just like, you know what? He ain't cleaning up. And the fact is, he probably knew that he probably wasn't that good at cleaning up. He just probably cleaned up to his best of his ability. Probably his younger brother didn't clean up to his best ability, so that infuriated him. And then he was like, you know what? I'm going to go in and get this knife and tell him that he just didn't clean up good enough for me. So you stabbed him. You stabbed your own brother, Cain and Abel. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, these young men, the young generation, they just on edge, and on edge for nothing. I mean, it could be life just getting to them. Maybe they just can't handle it. I was like, well, don't take it out on your brother. Don't find a reason to stab your brother just because he ain't cleaning up the way you want him to clean up. You know, I'm different. I already knew my oldest brother couldn't clean up like I could, but I knew he could clean. But he couldn't clean up the way I want him to clean up. My thing is, get out of my way and let me clean up. You know what I'm saying? Go do what you want to do somewhere else. I'll clean up. Because, you know, my mom, she would always get on us whenever our room wasn't clean. And I had to tell my mother, "Ma, it's not me." I said, "It's him. He's the messy one. It's not me." So, look, when he moved out of the house, My room was always clean. I told my mom, I said, I told you it wasn't me. I said, you blaming it on us, and both of us, and it's not even me. He's in the room half of the time. I'm not in there. You know what I'm saying? So when he left and moved out, my room was always clean. Looked like a bedroom and a living room at the same time. I told my mom, it's not me, it's him. And I told him, I said, I'm glad you left. So mommy wasn't quick blaming stuff on us, blaming stuff on me, and it's you up there being messy, not me. And he just laughing about it, like, whatever, just stay out of there. And you know, me and my brother had a good relationship or whatever, still do. But this right here, it's like I tell people all the time. I said, listen, my brother and my sister, that's all I had when I was growing up. My mom, my brother, and my sister. You know what I'm saying? And we had to learn to get along. You know what I'm saying? We had to learn to get along because Dad was in and out of prison. In and out. In and out. Or in and out of jail, whatever the case may be. But I just know that he wasn't there. He was there, he wasn't there. He was there, then he wasn't there. But, you know, to make things easy for my mother, we had to get along. And we did. You know what? We grew up and we still got along. Versus, you know, other people who, you know, grow up and then they don't get along no more. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, this right here, you didn't have to stab your brother, a.k.a. you didn't have to kill him. Because he didn't clean up like you wanted to. Like I said, you was just looking for a reason to use this knife and stab your brother. It had nothing to do with the whole cleaning. That's just my take on it. You know what I'm saying? And then you hide under the stairs. No. You don't get to hide under the stairs and get away. Just lock him up. Sorry, girlfriend, but your man's gone. Tell me what y'all think. This is Howard Talks. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.